Now the topic before us is mobile security. Mobile security means the protection of mobile devices such as smartphones, tablets from potential threats, weaknesses, and unauthorized access. We are using mobile devices for various purposes, and the usage of mobile devices is increasing day by day. The number of mobile devices the world over are also increasing, and we are using the mobile devices for storing sensitive data in them. So it becomes all the more important for us to protect our mobile devices so that we may protect our personal information, business critical data which is stored in our mobile devices. The key aspects of mobile security include: first is device lock and authentication. We should implement strong device lock, such as we should use strong passwords or biometric authentication such as fingerprint or facial recognition to prevent unauthorized access to the device itself. We should avoid using guessable passwords or sharing them with others. Next point is software updates. We should regularly update our mobile device operating system and applications to ensure that we have the latest security patches, bug fixes, and feature enhancements. Outdated software can contain many weaknesses that cyber criminals can exploit. Next point is app security. We should download mobile apps from trusted sources such as official app stores, for example, Google Play Store, Apple App Store, and we should be cautious of malicious apps. Be cautious of apps that request unnecessary permissions or exhibit suspicious behavior. Fourth point is app permissions management. We should review and manage app permissions on our device. We should grant only necessary permissions to applications. For example, if we download a flashpoint flashlight app on our mobile device and the said app requests for access to our contact list or photographs, we should consider that this app is suspicious and we should deny the permissions. Next is mobile device management. If we are using mobile device for work purposes, we should ensure that it is enrolled in a mobile device management system. MDM solutions help enforce security policies, manage device configurations, and remotely wipe data if a device is lost or stolen. Next is secure network connections. We should use secure Wi-Fi networks and avoid connecting to public or unsecured Wi-Fi networks that expose our devices to risks. We should use virtual private network when accessing sensitive data or conducting transactions over public Wi-Fi networks. Next security tip for mobile devices is data encryption. We should enable device level encryption to protect sensitive data which is stored in our mobile device, even if our device is lost or stolen. Encryption ensures that even if unauthorized individuals gain physical access to your mobile device, they cannot access the encrypted data without the decryption key. Next is mobile device security software. We should install a reputable mobile device security software such as antivirus and anti-malware software that can detect and protect our mobile device from malware, viruses, and other mobile specific threats. We should keep the mobile device security software updated for the latest protection. Next point is secure data backup and storage. We should regularly backup our mobile device data, including contacts, photos, documents, and important files. We can use secure cloud storage or encrypted external storage to safeguard our data. Next point is remote tracking. Remote tracking is a mobile security feature that allows users to locate lost or stolen devices. It is crucial to configure and activate remote tracking features in advance. It will ensure that, and we should ensure that the device is connected to the internet for effective tracking and remote control. Next point is user education and awareness. There is need to educate the mobile users about common mobile security threats such as phishing attacks, malicious apps, and mobile malware. They should be educated that they should not click each and every email which may download in their email inbox. There is need to tell them that they should not reveal sensitive information if there is any message from any organization to reveal the same. Educating mobile device users about best practices for mobile security, including not clicking on suspicious links or not to download apps from unknown sources, avoiding public Wi-Fi networks. Next is remote wiping. We should enable a remote wiping feature on our device to erase data in case our mobile device is lost or stolen. It will ensure that sensitive information does not fall into the wrong hands. By implementing the mobile security measures, users and organizations can enhance the security of their mobile devices and also protect the data which is stored in the mobile devices. It will reduce the risk of data breaches, unauthorized access, and other mobile related security incidents. Thanks for watching. If you like our course, please spare some time to give a star rating to our course.